Donald Trump likes the old iPhone with the home button more than the new without her. It is difficult to say when exactly the President of the United States changed his iPhone, just recently or some time ago, but the fact remains that he is not completely satisfied with the latest smartphones of the company, and in particular with the way they are controlled. And so, Donald decided not to keep his dissatisfaction, but to turn via Twitter to Tim Cook himself, the current CEO of the technical giant. In his new post, Donald wrote the following: "Tim, the home button on the iPhone was much better than the new swipe. As already mentioned, it is impossible to say which president the Apple switched from to which smartphone, but after comparing all the facts, we can conclude that Trump in 2017 made a choice in favor of the new iPhone 8 at that time, but now he decided to switch to the new iPhone 11 lineup. On the whole, it will be difficult to disagree with the President of the United States on this issue, because indeed, in many use cases it was much more convenient to simply press a button. For example, if you are busy with something and your smartphone is on the table, in order to unlock it and, for example, quickly reply to a message, on old iPhone with the home button you just had to click on it. However, with the new iPhone X and 11 series, which do not have the above button, and instead got a Face ID face scanner, the situation is much more complicated. To unlock the phone in exactly the same scenario, you either need to pull your head under the camera yourself, or even take the smartphone in your hands, which again, is much less convenient than the home button. So we can safely assume that if the iPhone SE2 expected by many still comes out, and it will be what various analysts describe it, that is, with the home button, then Donald Trump will be one of the first to buy it for himself.